This document is all about useful particles. This is how we can really expand your use of the language. And there are some example phrases that show you examples of usage. So let's just go over all the particles and the phrases. First we have agua nene. Now this first letter A here, we can kind of drop that sound when we actually use it in a sentence, and we can say gunues nize guanene dagenues nii. I like you just like you like me. Like or just like. Aguahiganji, very much. Aguahiganji genenues ne gega ne ana nuk arena. We kind of join that H sound with the I. So we say aguahiganji. Aguego, which means everyone, everybody, or everything. And we have three examples. Ya aguego de saderiandere. You don't know everything. Aguego ranues. He likes everything. Aguego sunguanues. He likes all of us. Aguego here, we could also use, in this particular example, we could use a dewaguego, which is the red prefix term for all of us. So we could say instead, dewaguego sunguanues, and that would mean the same thing. He likes all of us. But this aguego, that encompasses that same meaning, so we can use either or. Dewaguego or aguego. Eso, lot or a lot. Aguahiganji, we also use that to mean a lot, but aguahiganji, it means a little more than a lot. So this is like more than eso. If somebody asked you, for example, se no es negega, do you like this? You could answer by saying aguahigan. You wouldn't say G if you're just answering with this particle by itself. You would say guahigan. So back to Ezo. Ezo yung kinuwas ne agokstaha. The old woman likes us a lot. Ha. Yes, I've seen ha written without this H. That's okay to do too. Warisoze gan yun dajats ne agonha. Ha. Do they call her Mary Jo, or is Mary Jo her name? Yes. Gadi. So then, oh gadini'i, dagenu was ga. So you see we put this oh in front of gadi to turn that into a question, which means what about me? Oh gadini'i. So you could say oh gadinize, oh gadineraoha. What about him? What about you? Gadun. Or. This is one form of the word or that we use only when we're asking a question. So we'd say, oh, nahoda ruwayat nerauha, soze gadun sawadis. What is he called? Joe or John? There's a R there instead of an E, but Joe or John. What's his name, Joe or John? So that's the form of or that we use for a question. Ga. You see a question mark here. Ga is the particle that we use to ask a yes or no question. Gor gan it's neronha. Is his name Paul? And that's a yes or no question. You'd answer yes or no. Ha gor it's neronha. Gigan, or the short form is gi. This one, this thing. Aguego gan radinuas negega ne rorixta ogun a. Do all of the old men like this? Nahoda, what? Genuas jit nahoda senuas. I like what it is that you like. So I like what you like. So we have G in here. That's another particle that has a lot of meanings, and we'll talk about that in a bit, but it helps join these two thoughts together. So genuas, what you like. what it is that you like. So in this case, G kind of means it is. Moving along, we have ok nahoda or nahoda ok, what it is or something. Ok nahoda genuas, I like something. Ne. Ne doesn't have a meaning, it has a use. Genuas negega, I like this one. We use it to kind of introduce what follows, and generally we only use it to introduce nouns. So I like this one in brackets. Ne, not ne. You can use either of those. So who, that, the one, which, the one that. It has lots of interpretations. Onka not ne. Who is it? Sawadis not ne. It's John. Continuing on to the next page, we have nene or ne. Who, that one, the one, which, or the one that. So lots of different uses. Etse nueska neraksaa nene gornuayets. Do you like the boy they call Paul, or do you like the boy named Paul? We can use named even though it doesn't translate directly to his name is, but in street English that's what we would say. So whenever you're asked on a test something about the verb root yat, feel free to use name in your translation. Nikchi, but. Ragenues nii, nikchi, yahdehinues. He likes me, but I don't like him. Nuk means and that's one form of the word and. Rokstaha nuk roksaa ninues. The old man and the boy like it. In this use of and, we're creating a pair here. So nok is the kind of and that we use for things that go together, not things that sort of follow one another. Ona means already, or now, or goodbye. Ona ronaderianderenetega. They already know that. Ona giwahi, or ona, goodbye, or bye. So ona giwahi is like a longer form of saying goodbye. Oni, also to as well, either. Yeyatezeha oni yezanues. The young woman also likes you. Oya, other, else, another. Ranues kahne oya raksaa. Does the other boy like it? So we put oya in front of the noun. Oh, a particle used to ask what, why, and how questions. So you put it in front of the word, and we get oh nahoda. So we could also say oh nanjero, why, and oh niot, for how. Oh nahoda ize yezayets. What's your name? Oh nahoda, for what. And notice that's what we did there. We put oh in front of what. Oh nahoda gunwadiets netega gundiksa ogun'a. What are those girls' names? Oh niot, how. Oh niot yagoderiander newardi. How does Mary know that? So again, we've used oh in front of niot to turn this into how question. Ostunha means a little bit. Ostunha yagenenues newise. Mike and I like it a little bit. Ok, just or only. Dawit ok renues. I only like David. Ostunha ok, just a little bit. Ostunha ok kenues netega radineganteron ogun'a. I like those young men just a little bit. Notice that when we combine ostunha with ok, our accent moves back onto this letter A, and we say ostunha ok. Unka, who? So notice that this is a question all by itself. We don't have to put ga after there. we only use ga for yes or no questions, not for what or how or who or why. Onka ne tega rungwe. Who is that man? Saderiandrega onka not ne. Do you know who that is? So we can ask it as a question. When we do that, we put onka first. And we can use it as the word who, not in a question form, in the middle of a sentence. So our question is, do you know, with our question particle, who that is? Onka ok. When we combine onka with ok, we get the term for someone or somebody. Onka ok ruwanuwas. Someone likes him. Otana oya. Something else or anything else. Ya otana oya de ya go deriandere. So notice that we have ya and de. We've split the ya de apart and we've stuck otana oya in between. You can always do that. You can always split ya and de apart and put something in the middle of it. But remember, your de always attaches onto your verb. So ya otana oya de ya go deriandere. This is how we're negating that verb. Saha means more. Saha ga yenuwis negega. Does she like this one more? Saha goes first because we're asking if she likes it more. The more is what is being questioned here. Saha jiniotne, more than. Saha rinuwis ne soze, jiniotne wise. So more than, see this ... refers to how we can split that particle, that phrase apart and put something in the middle. So saha blah 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 jiniotne. Saha rinuis ne soze jiniotne wise. You could also say something like saha wagaderiandere jiniot nise. I know more than you. Sego, still yet again. Sego ya de kenuas ne agaunha. It also means hello. So you could say to somebody you meet on the street, sego. Still, yet, or again. You can say also, sego kenuas ne agaunha. I still like her. Sego oya, another one, or still another one, yet another. Sego oya yagungwe yezanuas. Yet another woman likes you. Dahnu. So here's that other form of and I was talking about. Ezo genuas ne gegan. Dahnu genuas ne tegan oni. I like this one a lot and I like that one too. So you can see that these two things are not really a little pair. They're not a group. It's just saying that like, and also, I like this one, and also I like that one too. Whereas our other example of and was the man and the boy, and that was kind of more of a pair than this is. Tegan, or ti, you can shorten this to ti, just like you can shorten gigan to gi. That one, or that thing. Tegan ga sewa nuwas. Do you all like that? Doga. I don't know. Onka ne raonha. Doga. Who is he? I don't know. Onka ne raonha. Ya de wagaderiandere. Onka ne raonha. So this is a longer form of saying I don't know. Ya de wagaderiandere is I don't know. So is doga. So you can certainly choose to say one or the other. Doske. Doske ga ji ya deske nues. Is it true that you don't like me? Doske. You could also say something like doske giwahi ji gunuas. It's true that I really like you. Doga. If. Ya de wagaderiandere. Dogat guider why it's neronha. I don't know if they call him Peter. Dogat oni, or shortened form is dogani. So or, here's that other form of or that I was talking about. Ya de waga deriandere dogat wardian dogani jat churun wyatt. So the other form of or was gadon, and we used gadon because we were asking a question. This is a statement, so we use dogani or dogat oni. Ya de waga deriandere dogat wardian dogat oni jat churun wyatt. G. This is a particle that has lots of uses that where then to at Saderiandrega G ya de yezanuas. G. Do you know, in this case it's used to mean that. Do you know that she doesn't like you? Genuas G easy da genuas. I like it that you like me. So later on in other units, we will use G in other ways, but try not to think of it as translating directly as something. It has many uses. G nahoda. G nahoda, what it is. Ya de waga deriandere. G nahoda se nues. So nahoda always means what, but sometimes we have o in front of it, sometimes it's by itself. So in this case, G turns nahoda into what it is. I don't know what you like, or I don't know what it is that you like. Wahi means kind of in it, or in Canada, sometimes we end a sentence with a just to get somebody to agree with you, isn't it? Wari yun dudgets ne algaonha wahi. So her name is Mary, isn't it? If you said something like ye nuwas ne dagos wahi, she likes cats, the wahi in that sentence, you could translate that to say wari or ye nuwas ne dagos wahi could mean she likes cats, doesn't she? That's another way of saying a. Continuing on to page 17, wene, and in brackets we have G. We don't always use that, obviously or apparently. Wene G ya oteno de hoderiandere ne tega rungue. That man obviously doesn't know anything. Or obviously that man doesn't know anything. Ya is no. Nigya ga yun dudgets ne agonha. Ya. Do they call her Ellen? No. Ya esoji. Not that much or not so much. Se noaska negega. Ya esoji. So you can answer a question like that. You can say not that much. Not so much. Se noaska negega. Ya esoji. Do you like that? Not so much. Ya esoji detse nues wahi. You don't like him that much, do you? So you see that because we are using ya in front of the verb etse nuus, we have to use the de in there. Remember, whenever we negate a verb, we have to use ya de. So ya esoji detse nuus wahi. Ya unka uk, no one or nobody. Unka se nuus. Ya unka, who do you like? No one. And notice we can join that H and the O. So you can say ya unka, or you can kind of join that a little bit and say ya hunka. Ya unka de huanuas ne tega rane guntero. We're negating the verb ruanuas, so we get an H here, and we say ya hunka de huanuas. Ya otena. Nothing or anything, or nothing or not anything. Remember that otena means anything or something, so when we put a ya in front of it, that's negating it, so that becomes how we say nothing. It literally translates to not something rather than nothing. We don't have a concept for nothing. Instead, we have to say it's not something. That's one thing that I like about our language. It's difficult to say things like empty or nothing, or we have to say that it's not something or it's not full. You can see how there's much more positivity in our language, in our original way of thinking, because we can't say empty. We have to say it's not full. That concept of half full or half empty doesn't exist in our language. We had an originally positive way of thinking. So, o no hoda se nuas. Ya o tana. What do you like? Nothing. Ya o tana de hanuas nene I ge nuas. He doesn't like anything that I like. Remember, we have ya and de with something in the middle there. So ya de hanuas. So this H was an R, but when we negate ranuas, the R changes into an H. Ya de hanuas. Ya oteno de. Nothing. Ya oteno de hona deriandere ne technixa. The two boys don't know anything. So that's just an extension of this example down here where we're using ya oteno to negate something. Ya degan. Not a fact, or it's not true. So, ya arize guardegan neti. That's not Betty. Or you can ask somebody if that's a cat. Dagosga netega. And you can say, ya dagos dega. That is not a cat. So you can learn a lot about word order and about the original way of thought by looking at our example phrases in terms of what we put first in a sentence, how we emphasize information, and how things are negated. So spend some time reading these examples and see if you can come up with sentences like these on your own. Practice changing out the prefix, for example. So how would you say, instead of do you like this, how would you say, does he like this, or do they like it? Swap out the prefix there and swap it out here. See what you can do to play with these sentences.